How to upload files in OneDrive and shared link. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can upload the files in your OneDrive. So for that, what you need to do is go on your Android phone, iPhone or your PC, anything you can do, and open your OneDrive. On the top search bar, I'm going to search for OneDrive right here. So now after opening the OneDrive, you need to sign in to your Google account after that. So if you need to upload any files, then just go on the files right here and you will see the list of files from here. You can choose it from any other options, like tap on the add section. Now you can create your own Word account as well, or create a folder, or upload something that's already on your device from here. So that's how you upload it. You can also upload the photos here, but for that you need to sign into your account so that you will save that very saved files, uploaded files on your OneDrive. So after signing in, you are just done on the OneDrive. So that's how you can just upload the files on your OneDrive. And to share it, what you can simply do is just copy the URL of the very file, and also you can see the many share options to your Gmail, WhatsApp or anything. Just go to your Gmail and tap on the OneDrive option, add from OneDrive option, and choose the file that you want to send to anyone, and you can simply send it to anyone. So yes, that's how you can share your link of OneDrive as well, and also you can upload the files on your OneDrive. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.